In the last part of the medicinal fruits, we studied about 6 chemocarpic fruits. In this part, we will discuss about the tribella and some types of pepper fruits. First is the tribella. All you heard about the tribella. What is a tribella? Tribella consists of 3 fruits, which means 3 fruits. When a drug or when a medicine is prepared, when it's combined 2 or more medicinal herbs, that type of formulations is called the polyherbal combinations or polyherbal formulations. These polyherbal formulations have the synergistic effect. Synergistic effect means when combined together, the effect of the medicine or the effect of the drug exceeds sum total of the effect of the individual herbs. So that type of drugs is called the synergistic herbs or synergistic drugs. Tribella is a well-known and highly powerful polyherbal medicine constitute the dried epicarp of 3 fruits which are the native to India. They are commonly called as myrobalans. That is, they are collectively called as myrobalans. They are the Nellikka, Tanikka and Kadukka. Common Malayalam names are Nellikka, Tanikka and Kadukka. Then they are collectively called as myrobalans. Which are these myrobalans? They are, first one is the Nellikkai. It's called the embellic myrobalan or gooseberry. The second one is the belleric myrobalans or beech almond or bustard myrobalans. And the third one is the chebulic myrobalans or black myrobalans. Embellic myrobalan is the Phyllanthus emblica or Emblica officinalis. Then belleric myrobalans is the Terminalia bellerica and it's called the Tanika. Then chebulic myrobalans is called the Kadukkai, that is the Terminalia chebula. This Phyllanthus emblica is coming under the Euphorbiaceae family, and both the Terminalia species is, that is the belleric myrobalan and chebulic myrobalans are belonging to Combretaceae family that you already studied in the Combretaceae family. Besides Combretaceae, from which topic you already studied these drugs? Anyone? Divya? Akshaya? Arafat? Yes, Divya answered that is in the hydrolysable tannin. But once more we can go through these slides for its identification because it's very important to identify these drugs. Phyllanthus emblica is popularly known as amla. The fruit is fleshy globose with 6 pale vertical furrows. It's drupaceous and the endocarp is stony. It is one of the oldest edible fruit. Indian gooseberry is very nutritious and high in vitamin C, amino acids and minerals. It is one of the Kayakalpa drug in Siddha system because it rejuvenates the body as a whole, because it's promoting longevity, enhancing digestion, treating constipations and fever, purify blood, reduces cough, strengthens heart, beneficial for eyes, stimulates hair growth, and enhancing intellect. It is used in liver diseases including in diabetes, often combined with turmeric. Thus, Nellikkai is considered as a rejuvenating tonic. Besides ascorbic acid, that is the vitamin C, they also contain powerful plant compounds like phenols, tannins, phylamblic acid, rutins, curcuminoids, and emblicol. Elachite tannins are the source of its bitter taste. The next fruit is the belleric myrobalans or Terminalia bellerica. The fruit is also drupe. It's ovoid and gray in color, surface is velvety, irregularly wrinkled, showing 5 longitudinal ridges. Upper end of the fruit is depressed while the lower projecting and shows a round scar of pedicel up to 5 mm in diameter. Fruit is very hard and when broken exhibits a yellow to dark yellow internal surface with projecting threads representing the vascular bundles. The hard endocarp occupies the center. Fruits contain about 17% tannin substances consisting of gallic acid, ellagic acid, ethyl gallate, galloyl glucose, and chebulaginic acid. It also contains phylembrin, also present in amla. Phylembrin is adrenergic potentiating active constituents. Further, the drug contains beta-cytosterol, mannitol, glucose, fructose, and rhamnose. Balearic fruit alone or as a constituent of tribella is used as laxative. It is used in cough, bronchitis, and bad throat and for correcting the voice. The fruit powder is a powerful rejuvenative which nourishes the lungs, throat, voice, eyes, and ears. The cholaretic action of the fruit is useful in treating liver diseases. Thus, as a constituent of famous preparation tribella, the Balearic mylobalance or Bibitaca, that is its Sanskrit name, which finds use in wide array of areas ranging from air care as a laxative in headache, leukorrhea, liver diseases and gastrointestinal complaints. The third constituent of tribella is Terminalia tubula. It consists of mature as well as immature fruits. The mature fruits are brown in color and it is ovate, longitudinally wrinkled and has slight odor, astringent taste and slight bitter. But the immature fruits are small, pale brown to black, elliptically ovate and tapering on both sides. Chebolic myrobalan is popularly known as Haridagi and it is called as king of medicine and is listed at the top of the medicine due to its extraordinary power of healing. The active constituents of Haridagi are hydrolysable tannins responsible for the pharmacological activities. They are the gallic acid, methyl gallate, ethyl gallate, chebulagic acid, ellagic acid and chebulinic acid. Because of the antiseptic and healing properties of tannins, it is used externally in chronic ulcer wound, piles, and stomatitis. It is used as laxative. Kaduka is a potent antioxidant due to the presence of phenolic compounds. Besides, it acts as anti-diabetic, hepatoprotective, anti-cancerous, immunomodulator, antimicrobial, anti-arthritic, and wound healer. And also, the fruit is highly useful in curing diarrhea and dysentery. The fine powder of the fruit is used in dental preparations. You studied one of the polyherbal combination called a tribella, and tribella has been used in traditional medicine since ancient times as a multi-purpose treatment for symptoms ranging from stomach ailments to dental diseases. It has a variety of health benefits such as the improving oral and digestive health and supports skin healing. Beyond its effect on gastrointestinal tract, tribella is used to relieve stress, control diabetes, promote weight loss, reduce cholesterol and inflammations, and treat variety of bacterial and fungal infections. Dear students, you are often confused with the properties of these myrobalans. Yes, these drugs show similar pharmacological actions, and these similarities in properties and their vast therapeutic values leads the way of the preparation of the most wonderful Kayakalpa or Rasayana or rejuvenative drug called Tribella, which repair the body by promoting efficient digestion, absorption, elimination and rejuvenation. Tribella is available in market in the form of powder, juice, tincture, extract, capsule or tablet. Peppers are belonging to Piperaceae family of subclass Monoclamidae. The genus of pepper is Piper and it contains between 1000 to 2000 species of herbs, shrubs, vines, and lianas. Piper or pepper plants or piper vines are economically important as well as medicinally important genus. Piper and the common name pepper are derived from the Sanskrit pippali denoting the long pepper, that is the piper longum. As a popular culinary spice and pungent medicine, peppers are significant to the human because of the presence of wide range of powerful secondary metabolites found particularly in the fruits. The medicinally important piper species are Piper nigrum, Piper longum, Piper cubeba, Piper attenuatum, Piper mulicia, and Piper betel. Piper species are aromatic because of the presence of essential oil, constitute many monoterpenoids and sesquiterpenoids compounds are responsible for its various pharmacological actions. Essential oil which can be found in the fruits, seeds, leaves, branches, roots and stems. In traditional medicine, piper species have been used worldwide to treat several diseases such as respiratory diseases, urological problems, skin, liver and stomach ailments, for wound healing and as antipyretic, anti-inflammatory and also antidote agents. In addition, piper species could be used as natural antioxidants and antimicrobial agents in food preservation. Moreover, its possess wide therapeutic and preventive potential against several chronic disorders. Black pepper and long peppers are the widely used medicinal peppers. In ancient times, black pepper was considered as much prized trade good, so as referred to as black gold. It is the world's most traded spice. Hence, the black pepper is also called as the king of spices. It consists of the dried, unripe, or nearly ripe fruits. Different types of black peppers are available having different colors. Most commonly known peppers are the black pepper, white pepper, and green pepper. Black peppers are the cooked and dried ripe fruits, but white peppers are the ripe seeds by removing the outer pericarp of the fruit. The green peppers are the dried, unripe fruit. The fruit is a drupe and it is irregularly round or globular in structure. The fruit contains an volatile alkaloid called piperine, which is known for its remarkable pharmacological actions, includes antioxidant, expectorant, antispasmodic, antidepressant, anti-inflammatory, hepatoprotective, immunomodulatory, antifungal, antibacterial, antimutagenic, larvicidal, insecticidal, and many more actions. Black pepper consists of volatile oil, alkaloids and resins. The volatile oil responsible for the aroma of pepper and comprises of terpenes like alpha and beta pinene, limonene, philandrine and also sesquiterpenes like beta caryophyllene. The alkaloids consist of piperine, piperidine and impart the drugs its pungency. The resinous content also contributes to the pungency of the drug. In traditional medicine, Piper nigrum used in combination with Piper longum to treat intermittent fevers, to promote the secretions of bile, and recommended for neurological, bronchopulmonary, and gastrointestinal disorders, including dyspepsia, flatulence, constipation, and hemorrhoids. Next pepper fruit is long pepper or tippali. It consists of dried, ripe, or unripe fruits of Piper longum. Fruits are present in solitary, pedunculate, fleshy spike, 2.5 to 3.5 cm long, 5 mm thick, ovoid, oblong, erect, blunt, blackish green in color and shiny. The spike bears bracts and numerous small ovate immature drupes sunk in solid spike, closely pressed to the axis. Odor is aromatic and taste is pungent. Long pepper contains volatile oils, resins, alkaloids, piperine and piper longumine. It also contains sesquiterpenes such as germaprene D, beta caryophyllene and beta selenine. Apart from this, phenylpropanol and eugenol are also present. Piper longum is widely used to treat respiratory disorders such as cough, bronchitis, asthma, and also other respiratory diseases, and as a tonic, and also used as a stimulant, stomachic in digestive disorders. The next piper species is Piper cubeba. It is cultivated for its fruits and essential oils. It's also called Java pepper because it's mainly grown in Java and Sumatra. It is similar to appearance to black pepper but with stalks attached like a tail. That's why called tailed pepper. Cubeb is a bitter antiseptic stimulant with a pungent turpentine allspice aroma. Both the fruit and essential oils are used and have diuretic and expectorant effects, also improving digestion. They are used in the treatment of cough, bronchitis, sinusitis, throat and genitourinary infections, poor digestion and amoebic dysentery. Fruits contain volatile oil, alkaloids and resins, and also fixed oils. Volatile oil includes monoterpenes, subenin and 1,8-cineol. Sesquiterpenes includes cubebinins, sabinin, alpha-copene, germacrantine, beta-caryophyllene, and cadheine. The bitter principles is the cubebin. The alkaloids includes piperidine. You can add more fruits that you already study from various angiosperm families. For example, the Tribulus terrestris, fruit from Zygophyllaceae. The fruits from Annonaceae, example the Annona squamosa. The fruits from Rutaceae, examples are citrus lemon, eagle marmelos, Limonia acidissima. Then fruits from Myrtaceae, Syzygium cumini, Psidium guajava. Then fruits from Rubiaceae, Morinda tinctoria and also Ixora coccinea. When you evaluate the given piper species and also to furthermore piper species from various sources reveals the main ingredients are volatile oils, alkaloids and resins. And also you already acquired the properties of volatile oils including its pharmacological actions and its constituents and also alkaloids resins in the topic of phytochemistry. So evaluation of these chemicals is your duty, which you can assume or identify the therapeutic uses of various drugs. So active principles are very important and concentrate on phytochemicals for future studies.